Voiceover beginners, are you looking to make money with your voice? Media production across the world has ramped up considerably, with more voiceovers needed than ever before, especially voice talents with quality home studios who can record corporate communication and training scripts to replace endless cancelled conferences. So could you do this? What are the 10 steps you need to take from complete beginner to become a working, full-time professional voiceover artist with their own studio? I'm Peter Baker. I've been in the media business all my working life. Here are the basics you need to know, all compressed into one video. Look, if you can't make notes, you can download the free illustrated PDF on the link below. No email needed. Okay, deep breath, here we go. Step 1. Have you got what it takes? To be a successful voiceover, here are, in my opinion, 10 personal characteristics you really need to have. 1. You need to genuinely enjoy speaking without being self-conscious. 2. No matter what your accent is, your voice needs to be clear and understandable. 3. You'd have an excellent understanding of English grammar, both formal and colloquial English, and a working understanding of how English words can change in different territories. 4. You need a good level of computer literacy. You need to be able to record and edit your own scripts at home. If you pay someone else to do this or hire a studio, your profit will plummet. 5. You need to be able to sight read scripts easily and accurately. 6. You have to speak in a natural manner and interpret the empathy of the message and not just talk as if you're just reading words off a script. 7. Particularly when recording audiobooks or video game scripts with character voices, you need to have the ability to change your voice quickly, to change the mood, speed and style of your voice, and stay rock solid in that style. 8. You need to be able to follow detailed instructions from your client, either by headphones on live-directed sessions or by email when they leave you to self-direct, and you need to be good at responding fast to minimize retakes. 9. You need to be able to take criticism about your voice performances on the chin, constructively. 10. You need to have plenty of stamina for those long or complicated reads. Step 2. You need to build a home recording studio. Ideally, you'd have a naturally very quiet small room or an area of a larger room that can be acoustically treated to cut out reverberations. In other words, the area needs to sound acoustically dead when you clap your hands in it. Then, unless you have a solid-state machine, you'd place your computer with its nasty, noisy clicking and fan-whirring nonsense into a vented cupboard or a soundproof box. You need to buy a quality microphone and stand, wire this into your computer, and have your computer screen in the optimal position in front of you where you'll sit or stand to record your voiceover scripts. When you get established, you can invest in a proper professional voice booth, which will cut out external sound well and should offer a completely dead audio environment to record in. Step 3. Check your internet speed. You'll need good broadband connection to work efficiently. For example, overseas clients will often send you videos in their native language to download so you can sync your English voice to it, or for you to get a voice style from, and you'll need to upload quite big 24-bit WAV files fast to the client. I suggest you need at least 30 megabits per second download and 15 upload. Step 4. You'll need to record a selection of voiceover showreels. Every voice artist needs at least half a dozen showreels in different styles. They should be about a minute each and available as MP3. Some mix low with music to add a bit of mood, others just with your voice on, with no music at all, so clients can hear your studio room sound easier. Now, when you start, just make up scripts. It doesn't matter. The client will be listening to your voice quality and how you deliver the scripts. Step 5. Create your voiceover website. Every business needs a shop window. The voice artist shop window is their website. It doesn't have to be complex. You just need to have an attractive, clean, professional-looking site with all your showreels for playing and for download. And when you get established, you can have some videos or TV commercials that feature your voice. And of course, don't forget your contact details, both email, phone number, and your general availability. Make it clear what global time zone you're in, unless you like getting calls at 3 in the morning. Step 6. Get featured on various job websites. The obvious one to start with is the Fiverr.com site. It's got excellent SEO for keywords around the word voiceover. You can get good exposure fast on Fiverr. Before you create your profile, search the site as a buyer. Visit the pages of voice rivals. What can you do that makes your voiceover offer more attractive, more flexible, or different than the people you find? Maybe you're great at accents, so create a different Fiverr job for each one you can do well. And of course, give the potential client voice samples to choose from. Step 7. Direct market yourself. Use Google to make a list of production companies that may be interested in a voice like yours. Now, targeting is key here. Would you like to record training or e-learning scripts, character voices for games companies or escape rooms or whatever, commercials? Look, you need to find the organizations that deal with the genres you feel you'll be best for and contact them by email or phone. Don't just pick the contacts on the first few pages of Google. Please don't. Everyone will find these. Use something like Million Short to dig deep into the web. There are millions of production companies and agencies out there that need voiceovers of all types regularly. The money from a small production company is just as good as from a huge one, and they probably pay faster too. Step 8. Set up an account system. Accounts is boring, but do you want to be paid? Yes, you do. Find a friendly accountant, unless you have one already, and get an online account system, one that reads your PayPal and your bank accounts automatically. I use Xero. It's brilliant. It can create invoices, tell you who's late paying, and your accountant can read the site as well as you, so it can tell you if there are any issues. It's great. Step 9. Regularly update your website with improved showreels of actual jobs you've done rather than those made-up scripts you started with. Add video clips or commercials of voice, and of course, never stop marketing yourself. Make sure you set aside, I'd say, a good 2-3 hours a week for nothing else but contacting new potential clients, and keep that pot boiling. Soon your client list will be so big, you know you're going to get good day's work every day from scripts sent to you to record. Step 10. Buy a Porsche or whatever makes you happy. Hopefully you'll love doing this work anyway, but look, give yourself a target to aim towards to help that psychological push to bigger and better jobs as a voice actor. Well, I hope that's whetted your appetite. There are loads of training courses on every aspect of voice improvement and working as a professional voiceover at www.voiceovermasterclass.com. There's the best-selling 30-day voice improvement course. We'll show you technical skills in the comprehensive Adobe Audition for Voiceovers course. There's a marketing for voiceovers course too, one on confidence. There's all the kind of stuff there, all the secrets of how to really boost your income recording scripts in your home studio. And by the way, did you notice that not one of the top 10 attributes of a voiceover was you need to have a nice voice? As in people saying to you, oh, you've got a lovely voice, you should be a voiceover. In fact, the word nice is of course very subjective. In the real world, the demand is for all sorts of voice styles and accents, male and female, enthusiastic, perky, understated, serious, somber, ancient, young, angry, persuasive, you know, the list goes on. Anyway, look, I'm off to my own voice booth now for some more scripts, so thanks for your interest. Check out our website at voiceovermasterclass.com, and good luck with it all.